Hi there! We're going to be learning how to make our slides for our Folktune project. Okay, so we're going to get this in the window here for you to see. No, we're not. Oh, here we go. Go to your Google Drive, click on New, click on Google Slides. Then you go back and look at Mrs. Byers' requests for your objectives. Number 1 is your title page. What were you assigned to look up? What tune or what musician? In this case, I'm going to use Stephen Foster. Let's say you go ahead and create all your slides you need for now. So they're all done. So here's your next slide, which I asked you to create one slide, or if you're recording this, you have 1 minute to create about the tune. History about it, what's it talk about. The next slide is going to be about the composer. You can then choose to, from here, go and look for a picture. So let's say I say Stephen Foster, and I want to look at images of him. And here he is. I'm going to copy the image and put it into my document so that the rest of my classmates can see what this dude looks like. Your fourth slide can be interesting facts, other pictures, so on and so forth. Maybe you have a clip of the music, and then you can be done after that, or you can choose to do another. Maybe it's a slide about your project presentation given in class. Okay? If you're going to insert or embed a recording, you can do that on these slides as well. You can just go in and insert and look that way. Okay? Make sure you title it. Here I just automatically titled it for me, but make sure you title it so you can find it. And then in the end you can share it with me to Mrs. Byer. Put down, I could comment or view if you want, and send it my way. Okay? Thank you.